last week, we expect a lower low test in this bar on Tuesday. There's a lower low test intraday. This is the election bar that's been tested. After the intraday test, there is a hammer, which is great. Subsequently, there was an absorption of the supply with a higher load throughout. All this is a reflection of the supply absorption. The most important bar that you need to overcome is on Friday. Subsequently, that's upswing. We want to see a breakout of the previous high. That's important. But short-term wise, nothing has changed. It's still within this uptrend, up channel. Although we have a change of character, but that has been tested and have a breakout, coming back, have a test of the axis line, followed by this election bar, strong momentum, breaking out to the upside, coming back, have a test of the breakout bar, totally normal. That is a textbook style of the breakout pullback reversal type, but the reversal type shown up as a supply absorption, and volume is being consistent, slightly on the high side compared to the past, or even here, that's slightly higher. There is still a lot of the buy on the dip as reflected in the demand tail. Look at this tail. All these tails shown up as demand tail to prove that there is still demand. There is buyer to buy on the dip. If we take a look at the past, look at this. There's a sharp increase of the supply, sharp movement to the downside. There's a lot of the absorption and buy on a dip right there. Demand show up. Here is another one, demand show up. Whenever we have this big bearish bar, something like this, there's down about 1.6% with relatively high supply level. Take a look at the supply and this bar, and this is the bar as well. That's minus 2.9%, that is minus 1.6%, that is minus 1.9%, that is minus 1.37%. In terms of the magnitude, this is slightly bullish. In terms of the supply level, we see that's increasing of the supply, increasing of the supply, increasing of the supply, and there's increasing of the supply. There is demand come in this bearish bar, followed by the reversal bar, and that's a reversal, and that changed the swing to the upside. Here is another one, localized increase of the supply, and with a demand hidden inside. That is the bar that quickly get bought up. Here is another one, despite the big bearish bar, minus 1.3%, increasing of the supply, but here is demand come in, and with a few more bar to prove that this is still a buy on dip market, which is great for the bull. And immediate resistance level is still at a swing high level. Next level will be the other end of the channel, so somewhere around here, that could be the target. In terms of the supply level, it looks quite normal, nothing unusual. The short-term swing is still up, medium term still going up, long term is going up.